Having trouble managing cleaning, preparations, repairs, and maintenance for your short-term rentals? Let us show you how easy it is with our Keep4U app. Step 1. Download the app, register, and select the host role. You'll get a 30-day full free trial period. Step 2. Create a list of properties and link them to your booking service using iCal. To do that, add a new place, name it for your convenience, provide the address, number of guests, which you can change later, check-in and check-out hours, and access information for your staff. Then you can import your reservation calendar from your booking service providers, like Booking.com, Airbnb, HRS, and many more. Step 3. Send invitations through the system to your employees or cleaning companies. Simply go to the Add Team Members section, enter an email address, and send the invitations. After accepting the invitation, your employees will know precisely when and where their services are required. They can now begin their tasks and chat with you. Step 4. Now you have a complete overview of your business. You can observe as your team takes up tasks and your properties are ready to welcome visitors.